What's going on, guys? Jay, that Dream Guy. As you guys can see, we got a clogged toilet. We have a Hennessy Hinchcliffe toilet. You guys know we love these toilets. We love these toilets. So apparently the maintenance guys were here earlier, tried to get it done and was unsuccessful. So we're gonna see if we can be successful. Bet you it's going to be right there. Not even doing nothing. Alright, so moral of the story, they did nothing. You can tell by I just put the auger in and it cleared. So we're gonna pull the auger out. We're gonna snake it a couple more times because we need to make this video at least 3 minutes, and we'll flush it and test everything and go from there. What a joke. First, that's where the water stopped. We need the water to stop. So we want the water to stop all the way up there. So I'm gonna have to adjust this fill valve, but let's get it all the way up. Toilet flushes when the water supply is at the right level. That's crazy. That's crazy. See? Weak flush. So let's adjust this. You guys weren't even looking, you were looking at. We're gonna adjust this fill valve. So down below the float is a sleeve, and you gotta pull it up, but you gotta be careful, and then this whole thing will slide up, and then you gotta make sure that sleeve goes back down. See the way they have this adjusted, the float is at the top, which is stupid. These guys know nothing about nothing. So just gonna put the auger away. Amazing how much they know nothing about nothing. They hire anybody off the street. It's getting ridiculous. So I like to push this down, and then with my 2 fingers pull up. Don't get dirty about it. So see, I'm in control of this the whole time. So I actually like that height. Now we can raise up this float if need be. Might be a little high, but we'll check. Perfect. Let's see if this lid will go back on. Look at that HH. Looks so professional. So nice, so fancy. So trash. Alright, give me a minute. I'm gonna go to the hallway and then we'll talk. Alright, what's going on, guys? So, almost 9 o'clock p.m. This call got called in at 5 o'clock or something like that, and they call it in about an hour ago. So, what, 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock, so 2.5, 3 hours later, they call it in. They could have plunged that and got it going. And like, it's one thing to not do your job. It's another thing to call us in after hours. And I'm talking about the maintenance. Call us in after hours. And a job they could have done. Like, they know we're not sitting downtown waiting for them to call us in. But I want to thank you guys for watching. And yeah, like, comment, share. Do the share. A lot of people, nobody shares. Some people share. But subscribe. Till next time, this has been Jay, that Drain Guy, signing out. Taragna. Gotta wait for that 8 minutes.